How to use LegalZoom Trademark Renewal properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Renewing a trademark through LegalZoom seems straightforward, but most people make mistakes that can cost their intellectual property rights. Missing a renewal deadline is the most common, and it can result in losing your trademark entirely. The first mistake is not tracking renewal dates. Most US trademarks must be renewed between the 5th and 6th year, then every 10 years. Failing to note these deadlines can let your trademark expire. Set calendar reminders well in advance. Another frequent error is submitting incomplete or inaccurate information. Renewal forms must include current ownership details and proper classification of goods or services. Mistakes here can delay processing or even invalidate your renewal. Many users also forget to pay the correct fee. LegalZoom charges for filing and may add optional services. Double-check the amount and payment method to avoid rejected submissions. Neglecting to monitor confirmation is another pitfall. After filing, make sure you receive confirmation that your renewal was processed. Missing this step can leave you assuming your trademark is active when it's not. Finally, some skip professional advice. If your business has expanded into new markets or added new goods or services, consulting an attorney can help ensure your trademark coverage is up to date. To use LegalZoom Trademark Renewal properly, track deadlines, complete forms accurately, pay fees correctly, verify confirmation, and consider professional advice when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll protect your brand without costly disruptions.